Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a small Creative Memories haul. It's going to be a two-part video. The first one I want to say is that I also, which has already been seen by now, but is the circuit box number 3, and I got the premium gem tones, which I will show you in the second video after this one. Keep it short. In this video in this haul I purchased the mirrored ovals, which is a recipe template, which is basically a stencil that you can use, not just limited to scrapbooking, but in mixed media as well. It's Mylar, it's reusable, it's a 12 by 12. You can use portions of it, all of it. This does blend nicely, works nicely with our custom cutting system, so you can make those ovals with that as well. And with that, you know, it's multiple different ways that you can use this stencil. You can highlight like how they did this way, that way, so many different ways. That's just a couple different ways to show you how to use the ovals, but you can use whatever shapes you see. The little flower part, it could be the diamond part inside of it. Whatever you want to use is what you can highlight. And again, this is showing you how to use it with photos, but you can also use this with paper just to make a mosaic. And then after making all the mosaic in the background, then layer pictures on top of that. So there's multiple ways to use these stencils. I like them because they sell out. And once they're gone, they're gone. So yeah, I got that. I love the School Days collection that they had, which is called Back to School. I did not get all of it. It's a temptation. I'm trying not to, but I did get this one. This one has 14 sheets and it's 12 by 12 double-sided. And this has the sheets from preschool all the way to a senior. And now I'll show you that. And the only reason why I didn't get everything, oh my gosh, and I love the album that goes with it. I'm still debating, but I have school stuff that I haven't used, and so that was the only reason why I didn't want to get another set, but I didn't have any papers like this that said actually what it was. So this is preschool, kindergarten, first grade, and of course all the primary colors, second grade, third grade, remember that paper? Fourth grade, fifth grade. I might get a second pack so I can make double pictures, I'm not sure. Sixth grade, seventh grade, eighth grade, freshman, or ninth grade, sophomore, 10th grade, junior, 11th grade, senior, 12th grade. So I love the colors and all the accessories. And I know I'm going to end up getting the whole thing. I should have just got it. But I was like, no. But that's the set. I probably will still get it. But I love the whole thing. I love the album and all the accessories that go along with it. And then I got a couple tools. We have free shipping as well. And I got some of the tools because I'm a tool girl. I love punches. This is Autumn Leaves, and of course, it's football season coming up, you know, and fall time. So that is that punched out. And I used a 8.5 by 11 instead of a 12 by 12 just to show you on that. And then we had two border maker punches. This is the pyramid keyhole, and that is what that looks like. And again, you can cut this to whatever width you want because this is an edge punch. And the fallout from that too is kind of interesting. You could potentially make a shape of the negative, either weaving it or like this. And that's the pyramid keyhole, and you do need the original border maker for that. And then we have Home Sweet Home, which I really like that one. And with Home Sweet Home, you could do a lot with that one to me. This one, that could be, even with the back to school thing, right? You could use, got a new home, moving to a new neighborhood. This could be a new addition to the home, a baby or a pet. You know, it could be so many different things, community and neighborhood, maybe doing some kind of outreach in the community or something like that, community event. It could be a lot of different things. So anything with houses. And so, yeah, it could be architect, anything. And then you have the little hearts that fall out from that as well. And then the negative is that you have the shapes of the houses that you can use at the tops, because you can see that little chimney if you wanted to use it as your, it's a different one. So that is what I got with this particular order. And I'll come back and show you the mystery box separately. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I tell you to be creative. If you have any questions about Creative Memories or any of my products, check out the links to these products below, as well as give me an email or leave a comment, and I'll be sure to answer. All right, thank you. Take care. God bless.